Bharata is saying, let the whole world see you crowned today, O Rama, blazing like the midday sun. Madhyamne dhita tejasam. Turi sanghat ghoshai kanchino purnisvanai madurai gita shabdai pratibudhyasva sheshvata. Let you be now, from this day on, be woken up in the morning to the sound of many hand drums and the tinkling of nupuras, anklets, to the tinkling of the girdle bells. Nupura is girdle bell. Kanchi is other way. Kanchi is a girdle bell. Nupura is the anklet. Kanchi nupura nisvanai. To the sound of girdle bells and anklets, and to Madurai Gitai Shabdaischa, to the sound of melodious songs. For you from today, wake up in the morning. The kings are woken up like that. Now all of us can be woken up like that. With the mobile phone, you can set up those tunes. Mixture of all these sounds that he talks about. Yavadavartate chakram yavateja vasundara tavattvamiha sarvasya swamitvam manuvartaya. So, although Valmiki doesn't say, the Rasikas say, the drama is, he said, you must now take over the kingdom, all that is fine. You must wake up to the sounds of music, all that is fine. But what is it? Does it mean that, please come, you take over the kingdom, you rule for a while? I have done rule for a while, now it's your turn, you rule for a while, then maybe Lakshmana can rule for a while, then Shatrugna can rule for a while. Is that what I mean? Just to clear any such doubt, Bharata is saying, Yavadavartate chakram yavati cha vasundhara tavattvami sarvasya swamitvam anvartaya. As long as the earth lasts, as long as the planets move around in their orbits, so long should you be the lord of this land. Rama said, assented, he said, Tatheti, and therefore was set forth the next steps for the Pattabhisheka. Rama apparently insisted Bharata should have his bath first. Both of them were in matted locks and all that. So he said, you first. I don't know, the commentators say that during Deepavali, the father always tells the child, you must have it first. I don't see that happening. But apparently, they say that. Normally, father seems to be having it first. So he says, no, you have first, then Lakshmana, etc., Sugriva, all of them, then I'll have. So they did that. Then Shatrugna was given some task. Tatha Shatrugna vachana nipuna ashmashu vardhaka sukharasta sushighra charagvam paryupasata. Rama's son came. Tatha Shatrugna vachana nipuna ashmashu vardhaka. Sugriva called for and organized Nipuna, skilled Shmasuvardhaka, hairdressers for Rama, work on Rama. First thing is, the word Shmasuvardhaka means not hair cutter, it means hair grower. People who take care of the growth of hair. They are not there to take care of the cutting of it. It's a different view of what that occupation is about. Nipuna, skilled hairdressers, he organized. How are they? They are to untangle the hair of Rama, 14 years, tangle, and then trim it and make it proper so that the lords, kings, hairdresser. How are they? Sukhahasta. The very hand gives sukham. Put the hand on hand, you go to sleep. Oh, that Sukhahasta. At the same time, Sushighra, quick. Like you go to Tirupati, grand. 3 swipes and the fellow is born. You cannot believe it. How did he do it? Where did it go? But in the 3 swipes, the baby would have created health racket. Sushighra, quick. Paripasata, they serve drama. So this Sukhahasta, Sushighra, Pashuvardhaka, all this. Skilled hairdressers, untangling Rama's hair, trimming it with Sukhahasta, hands that give Sukham, Sushighra, quickly. They worked on Rama's hair to make him ready for the coronation. That was Rama. प्रतिगर्मजरामस्य कारयामास वीर्यवान् लक्ष्मणस्य च लक्ष्मीवान् इक्ष्वाकुकुलवर्धनः प्रतिकर्मजरामस्य कारयामास वीर्यवान् शत्रुघ्न Pratikarma means the adornment, the personal adornments that need to be done for the coronation. The Rama will have to be adorned. They have to work on him now before they can put him up for the Pattabhishek. Hair done, body has bath done, adornment, Pratikarma Ramasya. And for Lakshmana as well, parallelly, Lakshmana also has to be, all this has to be done. 14 years, they completely lost touch with all this. So they have to, somebody has to take charge here. So Shatrughan made arrangements for the personal adornment of Rama and Lakshmana. Again, skilled adorners of royalty would have come and they are worked on Rama to put all that. Now, of course, there is Sita, right? Something has to be done for her, poor thing. Pratikarmacha Sitaya Sarvadasarathastriya Atmanaiva Tadachakru Manasvinyo Manoharam. Valmiki gives us these gems. He says Dasharathastriya Manasvinyo, the Dasharatha's wives, that is Kausalya, Kaikeyi, Sumitra and others, royal ladies, they did it themselves for Sita. It's Atmanaiva. Shatrugna, he had organized some people to do for Rama. No, this we have to do ourselves. Atmanaiva. They themselves took it that personally we have to do this for Sita, so they all got into the act together. Manoharam, pleasing choices, every pleasing choice for Sita they did, lovingly decorating her beautifully. Then Valmiki exalts himself next. He says, Tato Vanarapatninam Sarvasameva Shobhanam Chakarayatnat Kausalya Prahrishta Putra Vatsala. Now it is all the Vanarapatnis, the queens of the apes. They are all coming from the coronation power. Now their beautification, whatever you call it, All that has to be known. Who is to do that? So Kausalya herself personally did that, it seems. Putra Vatsala, because of her love for her son's this thing. Dikshidhar points out, Valmiki, what a word he has used in this verse, Chakara Yatnat Kausalya. The fond mother, Putra Vatsala, Rama's fond mother, Chakara Yatnat Kausalya. She took all effort in that, making up this Vanara Patni. It was not an easy task. Vanara, Yatnat. These says, the crop which was Shauri love, Kandi, and the Upton Pindi, and the Poo, which is love, the Manna put out, was young. Short hair, boundaries. You have to tie up on this thing, put flowers, put the jewelry on top, do this, do that. Manhattan, so many Vanarapatnis are there, Kausalya walking up and down, she has to take an entire arrangement, not one Vanarapatni should be missed in this, etc. It's a Yatnat Kausalya. Practicing by now effort. Then Sumantra the charioteer, directed by Shatrughna, yoked the royal horses to the chariot, a dazzling chariot looking like the sun. He brought it to the presence of Sri Rama, who is now all decked up, hair trimmed, adorned, all of that. Lakshmana is decked up, all are decked up. Rama, he got on to that marvelous chariot.